I
Yep.
could I would love you to share that. How do you feel after we talk about the first that the mindset for you to move or not move to Dubai? Then after that, with the funnel sale, the lead to the sale. So the Dubai first.
Dubai first,
Yeah,
honestly.
yeah.
I love to hear other people's experiences of how they moved from one country to another, which, which was you. You had done that, you had the experience. And of course, hearing it from other people makes me so eager and makes me want to do it, even though sometimes there will be people out there telling you not to do it because of X, Y, and Z. I think that if you have a purpose, and I think that if you have if you have a vision of where you want to be, you should do it regardless of where. So this is what I loved talking to you about. And of course, with all the feedback you gave me and with all of the advice you gave me, which obviously helps a lot and takes away all of the all of the barriers that are in my mind, just to basically clear that out. And then of course, with the offer, the beauty of this call today was the fact that there were so many offers out there that you can choose from and do. Yes, they can be very overwhelming, but that's why Yang is there. She basically breaks it down and tells you, and tells me how I should do it and what will work best. So thank you for that.
Amazing. So how do you when you actually like the before the call, all right? You don't even know what we need to talk about, but I give you exactly what you need. Is that right? Or I give you like not what you expect.
No, of course, no. You gave me what I expect and beyond, to be honest with you. Hence why you don't only do one offer, you do multiple offers to see what's going to suit the brand and what's going to work. So that's the beauty about it. And the fact that you break it down and you explain it really well, which really what makes it easy. Because if it was just on the board for me, just read it out and do it, I think that would be overwhelming and hard to do.
Amazing. So if someone they really think they try to do things for themselves, and for you, you have someone hold your hand and go through with you like this. How do you feel? What should you what what is your advice for someone they just want to do by themselves versus have someone helping?
Of course, no, of course, have someone to do it with you, get a coach. And of course, I would recommend someone like you if they were on the same road as me and been wanting to, create a program and sell it out there because creating a program actually takes a lot. It takes a lot. There's a lot of steps to it. There's a lot of learning from it as well. And I think that we just have to take it step by step in order to learn. But of course, that's why you're there. You teach that step by step, you break it down, you simplify it, and I basically have to do my part of what I want, and then you take all that work away from me and you do the rest. So I will definitely recommend a coach for that for sure.
Amazing, amazing. So basically, why do you need me help then, Andy? Why do you need me help?
Of course, so you can guide me and direct me
What
because
the
you're
problem you had before? What the problem was you
uh,
had?
is that launching a masterclass on its own is not enough, or let's say selling a ticket to a masterclass is not enough, because I think there's a lot of people that do it out there, and I think that it was time for me to basically take a different road and see, do what others are not doing in order for me to make it to the next level.
Amazing, amazing. Amazing. That's really good.
Alrighty,
All
thank
right.
you, thanks a
I'm so
lot.
happy that we move quite quickly, which
We
is
did.
um basically in 2 weeks we do a lot of work. Um,
Correct, we did.
it's amazing. My team, I'm so grateful that I pushed them. We need fast.
Correct, which is amazing, honestly. Thank
Yeah.
you so much for that.
All right. Thank you so much. Have a good
Thanks,
night.
Yang. You too have a
Yeah.
good night. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye.